forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Christmas Present, and it can be any kind of present. It doesn't have to be Christmas present, but today is Christmas Day and I celebrate Christmas, so I'm giving you a Christmas present. Here's the diagram, and we have two different choices to make the box. This diagram shows 9 patch units, and there are 4 9-patch units where you can use an assortment of green fabrics or whatever color you want. It can be a Mother's Day present or whatever. But you have that choice, and the other choice is to just do blocks, which I'm going to do. Now this is a free download pattern from Riley Blake Designs. It actually shows you how to make a pillow out of this. If you scan or click on this code, it will take you directly to their website and you can download the pattern. Now these are some very odd and unusual pieces that we're cutting. There's only about 3 patches that have AccuQuilt dies that will match, and I have them listed here. I'm not going to go over each individual one. Then here are the fabric cutting requirements for each of the different fabrics. If you were doing the 9-patch blocks, that would be the first step. So here's all my patches cut out, and these are in place of the 9-patch. I've got this block, which is 6.5-inch square. So you'll have 4 of those. We're going to start by doing the half-square triangles. We'll do those first. So just sew these 2 half-square triangles together. Now I'm going to piece together the top part where the bows are. And I have these 2. The fabric I chose for the background is a stripe fabric. It's like a tone-on-tone. So you can see the stripes. And I want to make sure that the stripes are all going in this direction. So you have to be careful with especially with your half-square triangles. So there's that, and then this little piece goes here, and this goes across here. And this is the very top part where the bows are. So I'm going to stitch this together. We'll put the box together now. I'm using the 4 6.5-inch squares, but if you've chosen to do 9 patches, just piece those and then lay them out the same way. So we'll lay these out. But the long piece goes across like this. This is the ribbon. And then the 2 short ones will go like this. So stitch this row together and press the seams, and this row, press the seams, and then sew each row to this middle ribbon. Now we'll take the box and put the bow on top. So that, just like that. Now here is the present, and my area here is not large enough to hold everything. So now we'll take our B patches and sew 1 to each side. The B patches are the wider patches. Sew those to the side and press the seams. Now I found it easier to press this seam toward the package because all of these, the bulk here did not want to be pressed open, so I didn't argue with it. I just pressed it this way. And then after you press these, put patch A at the top and the bottom, and then your block will be finished. Here we go, our little Christmas present. Here's the back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.